This is the supply and demand video focusing on shifts in demand. As a new channel, your views, likes, and subscribes are very important, so please consider liking and subscribing. This video won't take as long since some of the information is similar to the video on the supply shifts. We'll start with a leftward shift in demand or a decrease in the quantity demanded. And we have our equilibrium price and quantity already labeled. When there is a decrease in the quantity demanded, the demand curve shifts left. Let's think about DVDs, which was used in the original video. Fewer people want DVDs since they can stream their favorite shows now. So the quantity demanded for DVDs has decreased or shifted to the left. Our new equilibrium is where the supply curve and the new red demand curve cross. So this is our new quantity, which I'll mark as Q1. So quantity decreases. And the new price is here. And we'll just mark this as P1. So as I mentioned, the quantity decreases, and you can see that price also decreases. That should make sense. If fewer people are willing to buy DVDs, they're going to need to be sold at a lower price to entice people to buy them. Now let's move over and look at an increase in demand. Examples of an increase in demand I hear often is with a new superfood. So the example is some study comes out that says a certain food is healthy and will lower heart disease or whatever. We'll use this as our example, but we won't make it as boring. So let's say a study comes out that says potato chips are healthy for you. So now everyone wants potato chips because they're healthy and they decrease heart disease and they extend your life. And what happens? Well, the quantity demanded for potato chips increases and it shifts our demand curve to the right. So our new equilibrium quantity is here. And this will be Q1. So we see a shift or an increase in the quantity demanded. And our new equilibrium price is here. And this will be P1. So our quantity increased. I guess this is Q1. Our quantity increased and our price increased. This should make sense. More people want potato chips, or the quantity demanded increased, and people are willing to pay a higher price for potato chips. So, potato chip companies are going to raise the price if more people are willing to pay a higher price for potato chips. That was just a quick overview of how demand works with supply in the supply and demand model. A few videos down the road, I'll explain in more detail what causes these changes. The next video will be on surpluses and shortages. Again, like and subscribe, it helps tremendously, and I'll see you on the next video.